Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is about this cutie hair lace wig right here. The hair is actually 12 inches and it's in color 1B purple, and it came in this gorgeous packaging with amazing goodies like an headband, wig cap, earring, and also bunny hairband. And this is what the hair looks like straight from the box. The hair is silky straight from the box. As you can tell, I actually don't need to straighten this hair at all because it was super silky straight from the box. And I love the color combination of this hair. Look at that. The hair is super duper silky, and the construction of the cap is glueless. You don't need any glue or gel to install the hair. The hair comes with 3 combs at the front and 1 comb at the back. Because the hair is actually center part straight from the box, and I'll be wearing it center part, so I don't need to actually pluck the hair at the front. But if you like, you can do that, but I really don't think it's necessary because when I used the hot comb to lay the hair, it was super gorgeous, so I didn't really bother about that. So I cut off the excess lace from the wig, and I did that in section. I cut the front bit first, and I actually used glue to install the hair. As I mentioned earlier, you don't need to use any glue or gel, but because I love the color of this hair, and it's appropriate for this season, so I thought it'd be nice to wear it for a while and enjoy it and then give you guys tea about the quality of the hair. But so far so good. I am loving the hair. I love the fact that I didn't experience any shedding or tangling so far, and the hair too curls really well. I've never had any colored short bob wig or straight wig that actually curled as much as this hair did. I mean, the quality for me is just top notch. I love the quality of this hair, and I love the fact that the hair does not shed or tangle or have any nasty smell to it at all. I mean, the top grade in terms of quality is definitely a top grade quality hair. I love the hair, and I love the fact that it was easy for me to install. Look at that, guys. All I did was just apply the lace, the glue on the areas where I was going to place the lace, and that was it. I did the same thing for both sides as well. I cut the lace in a zigzag motion and then applied the glue on my forehead area, and then waited for the lace the wig what am I saying? I waited for the glue to turn invisible, then placed the lace of the wig on it. I also love the lace of this wig as well because it melted into my skin effortlessly. And what I did next was just apply my mousse on the hair, just to flatten that area, and then press it down again with the elastic band, then apply the QTHAIR wax stick. And guys, bear in mind, this is the only product that actually these are the only product that I actually applied on this hair, because the quality of the hair is just so good that I didn't actually need to apply anything else on this hair. Like, seriously, I wish you guys can touch or feel this hair. Look at that. Look at that. I love that. The airline was really amazing. But depending on you, depending on the look you're going for anyway. But I decided to apply concealer on my part. You don't have to do that, but I just like to accentuate the part a bit more. And while I am done, I actually don't need to call this straighten this hair at all, because the hair was super duper silky straight from the box. As you guys can tell, I was not sure. I kept combing and thinking, should I call straighten it, should I not? But there was no point at all, because the hair is ready to go straight from the box. You don't have to stress yourself. Just cut the lace, apply the elastic band, and you would be good to go. I really love this brand a lot because the quality of their hair is just fantastic. For me, I'm just like speechless. Trust me, speechless. So I tried straightening the hair. It doesn't make any difference because it was already super duper silky straight. So you don't have to do anything at all when you receive the hair. And I also love the fact that their shipping was really quick. Look at that. I decided to throw in some calls for those of you always asking me, do you recommend buying straight hair and all of that, because most of the straight hair that you guys have purchased did not call. Guys, go straight to this brand and get their straight hair. Look at that. Look at that. I purposely did this, and I highly recommend that you guys go ahead and check out QT for your amazing quality hair. Look at that. I love it. And the cost was actually you know, popping. Despite the fact that I combed it, the curls were still there. Like, as I speak with you, I'm wearing the hair and the curls are still popping. So I highly recommend that you get straight hair from them, and you can wear this hair, take this one hair on holiday, you wear it straight in the morning and you wear it curly or body wave in the afternoon. How amazing is that? Great value for money. I really loved it, and definitely would recommend that you guys check out QTHAIR for your amazing quality hair. Look at that. The hair is so versatile and very affordable. Stay tuned for more. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing the review of the QTHAIR lace frontal wig I am wearing right here. I'm just going to quickly go straight to the point and share my thoughts about the hair with you guys. So the first thing I noticed straight from the box was the color of this hair, guys. Look at that. This color is screaming spring. This color is screaming summer. This color is giving me that, you know, happy vibe you want to feel when you are in summer or spring, and I am feeling this hair right now. Hair is actually silky straight from the box, but I decided to throw some curls into the hair just to give you guys the feel of how versatile this hair is. I am loving it. So it's not one boring silky straight hair that you won't be able to tongue or change your style. No. This hair is actually live. This hair is actually giving me amazing vibe, like save your coin kind of vibe. I love this hair. You can just cut your lace and you will be good to go, because the construction of the cap is glueless and the wig is snug fit on my head. When I mean snug fit, the wig is going nowhere. At the beginning of this video, I didn't install the hair with anything at all. All I did was just wear the cap and then shook my head just to show you guys how well secured the hair is. Nowhere. But because I'm loving this color, I'm feeling myself in this color. Immediately I open the box, I love the color, and I'm like, you know what, this hair is staying on my head for weeks. And the color, guys, the color is popping. Look at that. I didn't apply any product on this hair at all. I love the time you get silky straight wig and you'll be thinking that the straight hair is not holding curls. You can't style it as you want. It's nothing like that over here. This hair is actually popping. When it comes to the curls, it's popping. And another thing I love about this hair is the fact that it's a beginner friendly kind of wig, so you don't need to be an expert to install this hair. All you need is just your scissors and you will be good to go with this hair. As I showed you guys at the beginning of this video, you don't have to straighten this hair at all. You don't need your straightener, you don't need any tool. Just cut your lace and the hair is super duper silky straight from the box. Love the way I'm feeling wearing this wig, and I don't think I'll be taking it off anytime soon. Trust me, I am not. The quality of this hair is fantastic. This is my first time working with this brand and I am already in love with the quality of their hair, guys. The hair is super duper full. Look at that. Very full, very bouncy, very silky to touch. Look at how full the hair is. Amazing thing I love about this wig is the quality of the hair. I mean, geez, look at that. I didn't apply any product on this hair. I promise you guys, I didn't apply any product apart from the QTHAIR wax stick, which I applied on the top of this hair. But otherwise, the quality of this hair is just top notch, like top notch. And if you guys don't know QTHAIR are hair brands that sells all types of hair on their website. They have this frontal wig, they have all types of hair and colors on their website. So depending on you, depending on the look you're going for. But when I saw their summer collection, guys, I was like, what? They have loads of amazing hair colors for summer and spring. Guys, you won't be disappointed. Name any color you want, trust me, you will find it on their website. I am really impressed with this brand. Another thing I love about the brand is the fact that their shipping was super duper quick. The hair actually took 4 days to get here in the UK, guys. They're going on. The hair took exactly 4 days to get here in the UK. That for me is just amazing. Another thing I love about the brand is the fact that they have loads and loads of amazing offers on their website. See their website, you definitely find something for you and your friends and your loved ones. So I love how lightweight the hair is on my head, and I love the fact that the color was exactly the same as it is on their website and in real life. So that's one of the amazing things I love about the hair. Accuracy. I love this. Look at that color, guys. Look at that color. If you're looking for colorful wigs to wear for summer or spring, I would definitely recommend you run, guys. Run. Do not walk. run to QTHAIR websites. I can assure you, you find loads of amazing options. I really recommend this hair. You already know, absolutely. Look at that. What is there not to love about this hair? In terms of the quality, it's definitely AA plus for me. In terms of how accurate the color is on the screen and in real life, it's definitely AA plus for me. And in terms of how easy it is to install the hair, it's definitely AA plus for me. And in terms of their shipping as well, is definitely AA plus for me. And in terms of, you know, the quality of their hair and the fact that the hair can also be curled and took to curls really well, is definitely AA plus for me. The quality of this hair is just top notch, like hands down one of the best colored hair that I owned that took to curls really well. Obsessed is an understatement, guys. I'm not taking this hair out anytime soon. So yeah, that's my thoughts about the hair so far. I'll leave the details of the hair in the description box below. Please feel free to check out the vendor and let me know what you guys think, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.